welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber J, and I am so excited today, guys, because of course I'm doing another wig review, and I'm doing it on the wig Malia. Malia comes from the daily wig collection that Outre has come out with. Look at that wig, y'all. It's a bob. It's a plop and go bob. Oh, and look at the model. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, she's gorgeous. Anyway, so Malia is, like I said, she comes from the daily wig collection that Outre has done. Basically, there's no lace to cut, which if you're lazy like me, you like that kind of stuff. But let's see what else the stock card is talking about. It says that it's premium synthetic fibers, which is always a good thing because you don't want any cheapity cheap with your wigs. So you got the premium synthetic fibers, pre-plucked and hand-tied lace eye part. The eye part is basically just a straight part down the middle, okay? Then you got the breathable mesh cap. The breathable mesh cap is something that I absolutely love because you can get that air flowing through your hair and you can feel it on your scalp underneath that wig, because you do not want to be out in these streets sweating from your scalp down because you got on a hot wig. So that's, you know, that's good to know. And like I said, it's also heat styling friendly. The back of the card just tells you about how to take care of the wig, and yeah. So here she is, straight out the pack, okay? This wig is gorgeous to me, okay? Here is that parting right here. And as you can see, it's pre-plucked, if I can get it. It's pre-plucked, but if you want to go in and pluck some more, you can, okay? You see that? Yeah. And you definitely have to add just a little bit of powder in there just so it can blend in and things of that nature. Let's talk about the cap construction. The cap, oh, look at that stretch. So if you have a big head like me, this the wig for you, chick. But it has adjustable straps in the back, plus, let me get the combs ready. It does have combs, 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, which is always a plus. So if you like combs, you got them in 2 in the front, 1 in the back to secure this sucker down. Me personally, I don't really like to do the combs just because it'll snatch your edges. So you have to be really, really careful with that. But it does have the adjustable straps on the back just in case you want the wig to fit a little bit more snug. But let's talk about this color, y'all. Look at that. Look at that color blend. And the thing about it is you got dark roots, which is always good. And then it goes from like a dark brown and it fades into that pretty light brown. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. So gorgeous. And it looks like it's throughout the whole wig as far as the dark roots. So that's always good. So I'm about to pop this baby on, and we're gonna see what we're working with in this wig, okay? Be right back. All right, y'all. So I am back, and y'all, this wig is absolutely beautiful. I like the texture of it. Look at the cut of this bob. It goes long, short. You see that? You see that? And I love the color of it. Let me give you a good profile of it first. Let me smooth everything down. Okay. This is the left. All right. The front, of course. Look at that. This is the right. And this is the back. I hope y'all can see that. All right. So, the only thing that I had to do was basically put this on my head and put some powder in the part. As you can see, I just used some drugstore powder. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. What color is this? Y'all almost see the color. Classic Tan. Classic Tan. So when it comes to powder, you always want to put a skin tone color powder. You always want to put a skin tone powder on your wigs. You don't want to put like bronzer on there because then it ain't gonna work. So you always want to get something that's the same color as your skin tone, and that way it'll make it look more realistic. Like I said before, you can put heat on this unit, so you can just take, you know, a curling iron and, you know, press it down on that hump. You can put some spray on it to try to hold those hairs down. There's hardly no flyaways. There is absolutely no shedding, no tangling. I didn't get any shedding whatsoever when I was brushing through it, which is always a good thing. And y'all, this really and truly is an everyday wig. And I mean, this is very appropriate for business. This is appropriate for going out. It can be whatever you need it to be kind of wig. And it's just gorgeous. I'm just blown away by this line. If you haven't watched my first video, I did a review on another wig from this line called Lenore, and that wig was absolutely gorgeous as well. So this line, I just want to just give a shout out to Outre. They did their thing with this collection, and it is just, it's just bomb. I got another wig from this line too, where I'll be reviewing, so that will be coming up soon. Guys, that's it for this wig review. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you like this wig. Y'all go out and get this wig. This wig was under, I want to say it was under $30. And everywhere has it. You can go to glamourtress.com, wigtypes.com, Sam's Beauty. They all carry this wig. All you would need to do is just put in Malia by Outre in Google, and it will pop up all types of websites that carry this wig. And I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So that is it, guys. Thank you so very much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, if you have any suggestions, any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.